Calendly tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, this is Speak About Digital and welcome to this video tutorial on how to use Calendly. We have a lot to cover in this video, so let's get started with the tutorial. To begin using Calendly, the first step is to create an account. Visit the Calendly website and navigate to the home page. There you will find various options to sign up for a new account. You can choose to sign up using your Google or Microsoft account, or you can sign up with your email. After selecting your preferred sign-up method, you will be prompted to provide the necessary information. If you prefer, you can skip this step and provide the information later. Once you have provided all the required information or decided to skip for now, you will be directed to your account dashboard. This is where you can start customizing your Calendly settings, creating events, and managing your availability for scheduling. From the dashboard, you'll have access to all the features and options Calendly offers, allowing you to streamline your scheduling process and make it more efficient. The dashboard in Calendly provides a user-friendly and simple interface for managing your scheduling activities. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the basics of Calendly, including how to create events, set up workflows, integrate with other platforms, and invite people to your events effortlessly. We'll also discuss the different plans and pricing options available at the end of the tutorial. However, the dashboard features a top menu that we would like to provide an overview of before moving on. The top menu includes tabs such as Home, Availability, Integrations, Help, and Account. The Home tab is the default tab that you will see upon logging into your account. It serves as the central hub for your scheduling activities and provides access to various important options. Within the Home tab, you will find the Create button, which allows you to create different types of events. This includes event types, one-off meetings, and meeting polls. By clicking on the Create button, you can quickly set up and customize your scheduling options. The Event Types section displays all your existing event types, one-off meetings, and meeting polls. It offers an overview of your scheduled events and allows you to manage and edit them as needed. Additionally, you have the option to create a new event type by clicking on the New Event Type button. Under the Scheduled Events section, you can view and manage all your scheduled events. This includes upcoming events, pending events, past events, and events scheduled for a specific day. This gives you a clear overview of your calendar and allows you to stay organized. The Workflows section in the Home tab enables you to create and automate various workflows. You can set up different types of workflows, such as email reminders to invitees or hosts, send thank you emails, text reminders to hosts, and more. Additionally, you have the flexibility to create your own customized workflows to streamline your scheduling processes. In the Routing section, you can create a new routing form. This form is designed to gather information from website visitors and direct them to a specific booking page based on their responses. It allows you to gather relevant details and guide potential clients or participants to the appropriate scheduling options. The Availability tab in Calendly allows you to create and manage schedules for your event types. It provides a convenient interface where you can define the availability and time slots for your events. By setting up your availability, you can ensure that your invitees can easily find suitable times to schedule meetings or appointments with you. Additionally, within the Availability tab, you can also view and edit the existing schedules that you have created, making it simple to make adjustments or update your availability as needed. In the Integrations tab, Calendly offers the capability to integrate with other platforms. This feature allows you to connect Calendly with your preferred tools and services, enabling seamless synchronization of data and enhancing your overall workflow. The Help tab provides access to Calendly's support resources. Here you can initiate a chat with the Calendly team, enabling you to directly communicate and receive assistance from their support staff. Furthermore, you have the option to provide feedback to Calendly, helping them improve their platform and services based on your experience and suggestions. The Account tab is where you can manage various settings and details related to your Calendly account. Within this tab, you can manage your account settings, billing, and more. Now, let's see how to create an event in Calendly. So, to create a new event in Calendly, start by ensuring that you are on the Home tab of your Calendly dashboard. On the Home tab, locate and click on the +Create button. This action will present you with three options: Event Type, One-Off Meeting, and Meeting Poll. Since we want to create a template for our regularly scheduled events, click on Event Type. Clicking on Event Type will take you to the next step in the event creation process. Here you will need to choose the specific type of event from the options provided. Calendly offers different event types including one-on-one, group, collective, and round-robin events. For this tutorial, let's select one-on-one as our event type. Once you have selected the event type, you will be directed to the next step. In this step, enter the event name, choose the location like an in-person meeting, phone call, Google Meet, Zoom, etc., and provide a description or instructions for your event. Additionally, you will need to enter the event link. The event URL serves as a direct link that you can share with your invitees. It allows them to bypass the Pick Event step on your Calendly page and go directly to the Pick Date and Time step. You also have the option to choose the event color for each identification. When you have filled in the necessary details, click Next to proceed to the next step of the event creation. In the next window of the event creation process, you will have to set the duration of the event itself and specify how long people can sign up for the event. This allows you to control the time frame and availability for scheduling. Below the duration settings, you have the option to customize your availability for this specific event, in case it differs from your default availability. There are two ways to set up availability, using an existing schedule or setting custom hours. If you have a predefined schedule that you want to use, select Use an existing schedule. Alternatively, if you want to set specific hours for this event, choose Set Custom Hours. If you opt for using an existing schedule, you can select from different schedule options such as working hours or any other defined schedules you have created within Calendly. This helps you align the availability of the event with your preferred time slots. Additionally, you can add extra time before or after the event to allow for preparation or follow-up activities. This feature ensures that you have sufficient buffer time before and after each event. Once you have completed this step, you can proceed by clicking on Next. At this point, your booking page will be ready to accept events based on the settings you have specified. To enhance your event setup, you can also add additional options such as invitee questions or workflows, depending on your specific requirements. To share your event, you have the choice of either copying the event link or clicking on the Share button. This makes it convenient to distribute the event details to your invitees through various channels. After creating the event, you will find it displayed on the Home tab of your Calendly dashboard, specifically in the Event Types section. This allows you to easily manage and access your created events, making it effortless to keep track of your scheduling activities. Next, let's see how to create a workflow in Calendly. Creating a workflow in Calendly allows you to automate various tasks related to your events, such as sending text messages when events are booked or email reminders before events. You have the option to start with a pre-built, commonly used workflow or create your own customized workflow. To create your own workflow, begin by accessing the Home tab in your Calendly dashboard. From there, select Workflows. On the Workflows page, you will find a list of pre-built workflows that you can review. Choose the workflow you want to use. For example, send thank you email and select Use Workflow. This action will take you to another page where you can configure your workflow. On this page, you will be prompted to enter a name for your workflow. Provide a descriptive name that helps you identify its purpose. Additionally, you need to select the event types that you want to associate with this workflow. Choose the relevant event types and click Apply. In the When This Happens section of the workflow configuration, select Edit. Here, you can select the action and how long before event starts. In the Do This section of the workflow configuration, select Edit. Here, you can enter the email address from which you want to send emails as part of this workflow. Choose a template from the available drop-down menu or create your own customized email content. Provide a subject and body for your email, and once you're done, click Done to save the changes. If you wish to add more actions to your workflow, click Add Action. A pop-up window will appear, allowing you to select another workflow from the drop-down menu. Choose the desired workflow and click Next. Once again, you will be asked to choose a template and provide a subject, body, etc. By following these steps, you can create a workflow in Calendly, automating various actions and communication related to your events. Next, let's see how to integrate Calendly with other platforms. Integrating Calendly with other apps is a straightforward process that can be done within the Calendly dashboard. To begin, navigate to the Integration tab and click on it. Once there, you will see a list of available platforms for integration. These platforms are categorized based on their functionalities and purposes. The integrations are organized into different categories such as most used, video conferencing, calendars, extensions and apps, sales and CRM, marketing, email messaging, and more. You can click on any of these categories to explore and integrate the desired apps that fall under each category. For example, let's say you want to integrate Calendly with Squarespace. In this case, you would click on the Embed Calendly category. Once you do, the platforms available in this category will be filtered. You will see options like WordPress, Squarespace, Calendly for Intercom, and Wix. To integrate Squarespace with Calendly, click on the Squarespace option. This will redirect you to another page containing an article titled How to Add Calendly to Your Squarespace Site. The article will provide you with a method and a code that you need to paste into the code injection section of your Squarespace site. Once you complete this step, your Squarespace site will be connected to Calendly. To integrate Calendly with HubSpot, simply scroll down within the Integration tab and look for HubSpot. Once you find it, click on it, and you will be taken to another page where you can integrate HubSpot with Calendly by clicking on Connect HubSpot button. Similarly, if you want to connect Calendly with other apps like MailChimp, click on MailChimp and you will be redirected to another page. Here you can click on Connect MailChimp to initiate the integration process with Calendly. By following these steps, you can easily integrate Calendly with various apps and platforms, allowing you to streamline your scheduling and leverage the functionality of different tools within your workflow. Next, let's see how to integrate Calendly with other calendars. To integrate your other calendars with Calendly, you can follow these steps. If you didn't integrate your other calendars during the initial onboarding process, or if you want to include a new calendar, you have the flexibility to add them at any time. Start by clicking on your account icon located in the upper right corner of the Calendly interface. In the drop-down menu that appears, select Calendar Connections. This will take you to the Calendar Connections page. A list of available calendars will be displayed. Select the calendar you want to integrate with Calendly and click the corresponding Connect button. It's worth noting that even with the basic plan, you can still integrate all the supported calendars. Upon clicking Connect, you will be prompted to sign in to your selected calendar account in an external window. Follow the authentication process and complete the login. Once your login is successful, the calendar you connected will be added to your Calendly account and its data will be automatically synced with Calendly in the future. If you want to adjust the settings for a specific calendar, you can do so at any time. Simply return to the Calendar Connection page by following the same pathway as before: Accounts, Calendar, Connection. Locate the calendar you wish to modify and access its settings. Here you can fine-tune implementation restrictions or remove the calendar entirely by clicking the Disconnect button. By integrating your other calendars with Calendly, you ensure that your scheduling activities are synchronized across multiple platforms. This streamlines your workflow and prevents conflicts or double bookings. Calendly provides a seamless integration process, allowing you to connect and manage various calendars with ease. Now, the next thing to see is how to invite people to events and share your Calendly link. So, once you've personalized all your event types and created your ideal schedule, you can invite people to join or book them. All you have to do is send them the right link, so that they can see their options and select the best time for them. Go to your account dashboard, then click the Event Types tab. Find the event type you want to share and click Copy Link. This automatically copies the link so you can paste it into your invitation. Clicking the Share button next to Copy Link opens up the additional options of generating a single-use link for a one-time booking or copying a timetable directly into the email. Calendly offers a variety of plans and pricing options to meet the scheduling needs of individuals, teams, and enterprises. There are 5 primary plans available: Basic, Essentials, Professional, Teams, and Enterprise. The Basic plan is a free option that serves as a starting point for individuals who require basic scheduling features. Users on this plan can connect one calendar, create one active event type, and schedule unlimited meetings. Additionally, they have the ability to customize their booking link and brand their Calendly page. For individuals with more sophisticated scheduling requirements, the Essential plan is available at a cost of $8 per month. In addition to the features offered in the Basic plan, users can connect 2 calendars, create unlimited event types, and set up group events, among other capabilities. The professional plan, priced at $12 per month, is designed for small teams that require greater customization and reporting capabilities. In addition to the features provided in the Essentials plan, users on the professional plan can create collective event types, utilize Calendly routing forms for efficient scheduling, build automated workflows with custom notifications and reminders, and access analytics and insights for performance tracking. Teams looking for collaborative scheduling and alignment can opt for the Teams plan, which is priced at $16 per month. Along with the features available in the professional plan, users on the Teams plan can create round-robin event types, integrate with Marketo or HubSpot forms for streamlined routing, connect Calendly to Salesforce, and access other team-oriented functionalities. The Enterprise plan is tailored for organizations with specific requirements. Pricing and features for this plan are available through consultation with the Calendly sales team. The Enterprise plan offers advanced administrative, security, and IT-oriented features to support pipeline growth, deal closure, and efficient hiring processes. It includes capabilities such as single-on SSO and advanced user provisioning, compliance measures like audit logs and data deletion APIs, comprehensive Salesforce routing features, and expedited support, onboarding, and implementation assistance. By providing a range of plans, Calendly ensures that users can select the one that aligns with their scheduling needs and budget. Whether it's individuals, small teams, or large enterprises, Calendly offers flexible and scalable options to enhance scheduling efficiency and productivity. And there you have it, a beginner's guide to using Calendly. You can sign up using the first link in the description. I appreciate that, thank you. We hope you found this video informative and gained a better understanding of the various features and functionalities that Calendly has to offer. With its user-friendly interface, seamless integrations, and efficient scheduling capabilities, Calendly is undoubtedly a valuable tool for managing your appointments and events. Now that you have the tools and knowledge to create events, set up workflows, integrate with other platforms, and effortlessly invite people to your events, you can start maximizing your productivity and saving time in your scheduling process. So again, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any questions at all, please comment below. I try to answer all the comments the best I can.